Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will talk about use of this and it. If we talk about this and it, these both are pronouns and both are referred to the nouns such as he and she. These are pronouns, same like it is also a pronoun. When do we use this? When we want to show something. If I want to show this flower, so I will say this is a flower. See that this is a demonstrative pronoun. When we want to show things, then we will use this. Now I want to tell more about this flower. Flower is purple. I will not say flower. Instead of saying flower again and again, I will use it. It is purple. It is a personal pronoun. Fine. This is a demonstrative pronoun. When we want to show something, then we will use this. And it is a personal pronoun that instead of using the name of that thing, instead of using noun again and again, we will use it. Let's see when we can use it. When we talk about time, if I talk about time, it is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. I will use it. If I want to talk about weather, I will say it is raining. It is hot weather today. When we talk about date, then we'll say it is 23rd July today. When we talk about non-living things, lifeless thing, we will use it. It is a table. It is a box. These both are lifeless thing, non-living things. So we will use it. When we talk about unknown gender, when gender is not clear, it is a cat. Now you will say that cat is a living thing, but cat is a male or a female. It is not clear to us, so we will use it is a cat. The second example, I picked up baby. Now here you will say that baby is a living thing, so how could I use it here? But it is not clear to me that is a baby boy or a baby girl, so I will use it. It was a crying. So when do we use it? For time, weather, date, non-living thing, unknown gender. Let's see more example from the book. Use of this and it. Now you can see that this is a table. It is a demonstrative pronoun. I am showing a table. I am telling about table. Now I am telling more about table. It is a thing. I will not say again table is a thing. Now what is this? This is a bird. Fine. This is a bird. I am showing a bird. I will not say again and again bird can fly. So I will use a personal pronoun it instead of saying bird. It can fly. Now this is milk and it is in the glass. So instead of saying milk again, I will use it is in the glass. So this is the demonstrative pronoun when we want to show something, and when we continue that thing, when we are telling more about that thing, we will use personal pronoun it. Now here you have worksheet. For man you can use this is a man, and for other things which you can see cup, mat, book or fan, you can use it or you can use this, both, because they haven't told us more about these things.